First of all, before I proceed with the strategy I'm going to give out in this video, let me first explain the usefulness of these two indicators here. So if you look deep into the indicator window, you will see the RSI and the MFI. We all know RSI is a popular indicator developed by the technical analysis, the same with wider that developed the average true range and the parabolic SAR. So it's the one that designed the relative strength index. So these indicators help traders to evaluate the strength of the current market trend. You understand? RSI is also similar to stochastic oscillator. The way they appear and their functionality is very similar to each other. You understand? The stochastic oscillator, the RSI, we are talking about RSI, don't get it twisted. So RSI is scale from 0 to 100. Scale from 0 to 100. It also measures the overbought and oversold in the market. You understand? So when the reading is above 80, so it indicates overbought. When the reading is above 80, that is anything up here, it indicates overbought. Why if the reading is above 30, it indicates oversold when the market is down. That is the functionality of this indicator RSI. So when we are talking about MFI is a volume indicator. You understand? So it uses the price and the market volume data to identify the overbought and oversold region. You will see the similarity between the two indicators now. The similarity is they both give us the overbought and the oversold in the market. Understand? Which give the traders an idea of what next to do in the market. So guys, let's proceed to this strategy. As you all know, my name is Akinla King. I am the lead instructor from KingFX Academy. I welcome you to this channel. If you are new to this YouTube channel, click on subscribe button. Don't forget to on the notification bell because we drop different trading strategy on this channel. We how to scalp boom and crash, how to cash spike, and how to raise small accounts. If you are joining the trading for the first time, I congratulate you for coming across this channel because it's going to help you to build your small amount of money. But let me tell you one thing: if you are joining trading for now, hope you have something you are doing. Let me explain that better. Because trading is not something you can rely on to survive as a beginner. You understand? Before you get to the level of relying on trading to survive, nobody will tell you that, okay, fine, trading has been giving you consistency profit. Now it is okay if you can rely on trading to survive. So if you choose trading to be your only source of income, that is, you want to be making money for food, like to survive your day-to-day living, you understand, you will keep blowing account because that pressure will make you keep blowing in your account. So you don't quit your job and started trading. No, never do that. So if you quit your job, that means you have another source of income that will be giving you money. You must have somewhere that will be giving you, because trading will be taken from you as the beginning level. Trading will be taken from you. So it's not advisable to start trading without any other means of income or other means to survive. So if you don't have any job and you're trading, maybe someone is feeding you or you are getting allowance from somewhere else. That is the only way you can survive in this market. But relying on trading for your day-to-day survival, I'm sorry for that language, but it's not advisable. You understand? So you have to find means to survive. So never rely on trading as a beginner. So until you get to the level whereby trading is been giving you consistency profits, and you know that it is time for you to relying on trading to survive. So let's proceed with this strategy. That is just my advice for you if you are starting trading, and if you have been trading and you don't have any other means of income, you keep blowing in accounts, you keep touching your savings, that money will finish. You understand? That your fund that you kept somewhere, it will finish. You must have something that is giving you like another source of income. You understand? You must have something that is giving you an inflow, steady inflow. You understand? So, well, if your saving is enough, maybe your saving is enough. It can take you through that beginner level, because that beginner level is a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. So, if you want the journey to fast, find yourself a mentor. Yeah, find yourself a mentor, because if you don't have a mentor, you can be a good trader, you can be a professional trader, but it may take you some years. But if you find a mentor, a good one, it may reduce the journey to like maybe 6 months to 1 year, but you will still. So let's go to the strategy. We have to do that so that you don't just be looking for strategy and keep blowing your money. So it's not it's not okay. So we have to tell you what is behind the stuff. Everything is not about the market. So it's all about you. So let's go to the strategy, you understand? So let me delete everything on my chart. Let's add it together. Look for RSI. RSI is an oscillator indicator. So you get it under the oscillator. So where you will come is just this level. So you put level 10 and 90. Then on the style, use the background color of your chart. Click on save after that. So go back to the indicator window. So click on come to the volume. So you see the money flow index here. This is the indicator here. Click on the money flow index. So leave the parameters like this. Come to the level. I know you will have like 2 level here. Just click on the delete button, check and delete the levels. Then click on save after that. Go back to your chart. You should have something like this. So how does this strategies work? How do we make it to scalp, boom and crash? You understand? This is crash. Crash is meant to it's a synthetic market that show the crash, like the falling of markets. You understand? So when we say synthetic is like copying, or let me say mimicking. This market doesn't real. So yes, boom and crash. Synthetic market is not real. So they are just copying the real market. You understand? So the crash was designed for crashing, like the falling of market, to measure the falling of market. So in that process, that doesn't mean we can't buy. We can also buy crash. You understand? So if we were to scalp with this strategy, as we explained, the two indicators show the overbought and oversold region. The RSI gives us the level 10 and the level 19. Now we concentrate on the level 19. We want price to the moving up the, sorry, I think I click on buy. So we want the MFI to come to the level 90 of RSI. You understand? So when it comes to the level 19 of RSI, please don't do anything yet. You are not meant to do anything. We are waiting for that spike to happen, because normal we have known that the market has come to the overbought region, so definitely spike will happen, but we don't know the time it will happen. So we have to wait for that spike to happen. Once the spike happen, then enter for buy. Count your five candles tick and leave the market. You understand? Count five candlestick. You understand? Someone comment on that one of my video that five candle is just like 0.3 on small account when you use the lowest lot size. And I told the person that when you are trading $5 accounts and you make a 0.3 on a trade, 0.3 is more than 5% return on that account. That is a lot. Imagine now if 5% on $1,000 account, you know how much that is going to be. So if you're having an $100 account and you have a 5% return, that's $5. So it's a lot. It's your account that is low, not the outcome. So you want to tell me you want to make like, I don't know, maybe you want to make the $5 ones on the $5 account. You want to turn the $5 to $10 the same day. That is where the mistake is coming from. You understand? So once you have $5 account, making a 0.2 is a lot for you. $0.2, 2 cents is a lot on $5 account. You understand? So count your five candle and assess the market. Let's do some back testing. So the price, the MFI come to the level 90 here. So we wait for the spike. The spike occur at this level, then we enter for that buy at this level. You understand? We enter for that buy at that level. Count that five candle and assist your trade. So you are not meant to stay very long on that market. It is called scalping. The spike happen here, you enter for buy here, count your five candle. The spike occur here, you enter for buy here, count your five candle. You understand? The spike occur, this is it. Market drags the MFI to the level 90, the spike occur here, so you enter for buy at this level, you count your five candle, another spike occur, count your five candles. So you can see that this indicator has the power of giving you multiple signals in a day, a lot of signals in a day. So once you have that, let's assume you have $5 accounts, the lowest entry you make is 0.3, 0.3. If you make $1 in a day on $5 account, do you know how many percent that is? Is it not up to 20%? Yes, I think that is up to 20% return. So that is a lot. That is a lot. This is the size of account that is small, not the money you are making that is small. So I want you to get that. So don't expect to turn $5 to $50 in a day. No. So if you are making $1, $2 return on $5 to $10 accounts in a day, is a very, very great return as a trader. So guys, I think you understand the trade, the strategy rather. So go to your demo account, back test. So develop the self-confidence and the self-trust on the strategy before you fund the account to trade. So for people asking me how they can fund the account with deriv, so I've dropped the video on this channel. Go and check it and fund the account. So for people asking for the Telegram signal channel, the link is under the description of this video. You understand? So click on the link and join the Telegram channel. So we drop free signals for traders there on Boom and Crash, volatility, and other financial markets. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments under this video. I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible.